Before I begin my graduation speech, allow me the privilege to greet everyone present here on this special day. A warm and heartfelt good afternoon to our respected principal, Ma'am Aurora de Rabanal, to all our dedicated teachers from kindergarten to grade 6, most especially to our beloved grade 6 advisor, Ma'am Marinel A. Rimber. To our proud parents, with special mention to my beloved parents, Dada Alfred of Mimi. To all our honored guests, and most especially to my fellow graduates of Concepcion Elementary School. Today is not just a graduation ceremony. Today marks the 109th graduation ceremony of Concepcion Elementary School, a celebration of who we were, who we are, and who we are becoming. Today is the story of a dream that began many years ago. I still remember the first day we walked through the gates of the school. Some of us were shy, some were nervous, some were excited to meet new friends. Back then, we were just children, carrying school bags that seemed bigger than our dreams. But look at us now. Today, we stand here not just as students, but as graduates, stronger, wiser, and braver than the children we once were. And today, we carry something greater than medals or certificates. We carry a responsibility, a calling, a purpose. Because we are Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Filipinong nagsisipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Our journey was not always easy. There were mornings when we woke up early, even though we felt sleepy. There were lessons that seemed impossible to understand. There were moments when we felt tired, discouraged, or afraid of failing. But every time we felt like giving up, someone believed in us. Our teachers believed in us when we doubted ourselves. Our parents believed in us when the journey felt difficult. Our friends stood beside us, reminding us that we were never alone. And because of them, we did not just learn how to read or write or solve problems. We learned how to stand back up when we fall. We learned how to move forward with courage. We learned how to become people of character. That is why today is not only our victory. This victory belongs to every teacher who patiently guided us, every parent who sacrificed for us, and every friend who walked this journey with us. To our dear teachers, a simple thank you is not enough, but thank you for shaping not only our minds, but also our hearts. You taught us that true success is not only being intelligent, but about being kind, honest, and responsible. To our beloved parents and families, there are no words strong enough to express our gratitude. You are our first teachers, our first leaders, and our greatest inspiration. You are the reason we stand here today. Through your sacrifices, we learned what it means to love selflessly and to dream bravely. And to my fellow graduates, today we celebrate medals, certificates, and recognition. But the greatest achievement we share is something that cannot be measured by grades. It is the courage to keep going, the determination to keep learning, and the strength to choose what is right, even when it is hard. Because that is what it means to live with character. Each of us has a dream. Some dream of becoming doctors who will heal the sick. Some dream of becoming teachers who will inspire future generations. Some dream of becoming engineers, artists, soldiers, scientists, or attorneys, or leaders. But today, we are reminded that leadership is not only for those who stand in front. Leadership begins in the small things, in helping others, in doing what is right, in standing up even when we are afraid. That is competence. That is character. Great dreams do not begin with great success. They begin with small steps, taken with courage, guided by values, and strengthened by faith. Today, graduating from elementary school may seem like a small step, but it is actually the first step toward the future we are about to build. My dear classmates, the road ahead will not always be easy. There will be challenges. There will be moments when we feel lost or afraid. But always remember this. The same courage that brought us here today will carry us forward tomorrow. And wherever life takes us, may we always remember who we are. We are not just students. We are not just graduates. Education is about becoming the kind of person who lives with wisdom, acts with integrity, and lives with compassion. So today, my fellow graduates, let us promise ourselves something. Let us promise to dream bravely. Let us promise to work hard. Let us promise to live with competence. And most of all, let us promise to live with character. Because the future of our nation begins with us. And this graduation is not the end. It is the beginning of who we are meant to become. So let us go forward with courage in our hearts, with dreams in our minds, and with character in our actions. Congratulations, class of 2026 of Concepcion Elementary School. May our dreams be big, our courage be strong, and our hearts always remain grateful. Mabuhay kayong lahat at mabuhay ang bagong henerasyon ng mga Pilipinong leader. Maraming salamat.